first stop is in this place called Berrima. That's because I'm going to my friend's birthday party. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to my friend's birthday party in Berrima. It's morning time. 6 a.m. in the morning. And it's 10 degrees, so it's really windy, so it feels really cold, and you can't even see me because it's so dark. We have to unpack the tent now. It's windy like this all night. Just finished eating dinner.
Pork schnitzel on Turkish bread with salad. What sort of salad was it? Noodle salad.
Crunchy noodle salad.
Crunchy noodle salad.
And coleslaw, other sort of sauce.
Serves 4.
Carrot.
And we finished it. What did we enjoy? What did we eat today?
Got some chips.
No.
They were 10 out of 10. We went to this other place and we got a hot chocolate and jam donut and a potato cake, which is like a potato scallop. And we found a difficult piece of snow, so we just stopped and sat down and had a Mars bar.
That's true.
And also the muesli bar that I ate wasn't very good. It wasn't very good. Don't recommend.
Okay.
But you're gonna have to eat the rest because I won't eat them. We are now leaving Hotham and we're on our way to Falls Creek, and we'll be camping down the mountain at a place called Mount Beauty. So we've got to go set up the tent today and we're leaving. It's like nearly 3 o'clock right now. The sun came out just as we were leaving, but I mean, we did a good day of skiing anyways. I'm not mad about it. I look like a mess, but the sunset is pretty, so. It's morning. I gotta block the sun from you guys so you don't get sunburned. But today isn't today. Thursday, I think. I'm having a rest day, and Dad's just about to do the laundry, and I'm sitting here deciding what to do. Oh, so finally, my nose is bright red. I'm not sure if it's because it's been exposed while I've been skiing, or because I have the sniffles and I keep blowing my nose. I'm hoping I don't have COVID, but I'm testing myself tomorrow. Don't question why I'm not doing it today. I'm testing tomorrow, because that's when I have to test anyway, because I'm going to stay somewhere else, and if I've got COVID, then it's up. But yeah, right now I'm camping. It's been absolutely freezing. Woke up and it was like -5. That's what I like to hear. Anyway, most of this video has been on my phone, and I've got literally 2 cameras with me, so I apologize, but it's just been way easier, so yep. Pizza time. This is the tent. Status side. This is my side. How tall it is. We have to do a COVID test before we go to the lodge that we're about to go to, so that's what we're gonna do.
They each spoke the same, had the same dreams, same pain and same feelings. Staring at the sea and what was left of me.
It's 5 AM and we are leaving the campsite.
I saw you inside, it was a cold winter night. You sure like different intoxicants to make you feel alright now.
We're all in the car together now. The band's back together. We're driving up to Parasha now. Lodge. We're at Parasha. This weekend's actually, but we're here. Yes. Me and Ailey are back together again.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're in the lift.
So I don't have to think anymore. I want to believe that I would take you home. Loving you isn't hard to do. I said loving you isn't hard to do. When I see you.
This is our room. Hey, I want this bed. I want this bed right here. I fell down. Chocolate! Guys, has beef.
Yeah.
Want to announce it to the video bars?
Yeah.
Okay, announce it.
I absolutely stacked it. The front of my ski went straight into the stick and I went in for like 2 more meters and I fell over on my slide and did like
On
split.
the slide.
It really hurt.
Okay, this calls for a Mars bar. Another day, another video. It's like day 7 of this vlog. I don't know, probably like day 8, 9, 10? Who knows? Oh man, it's been a long time. Okay, so like, I'm going skiing with Boaz. It's gonna be great. The sky is blue outside. Also, I have this thing to tell you. I don't know if you've froze. Trying to fling stuff at me. Did you see that? 3, 2, 1. It's on the bed now. Anyway, so yeah, I was just gonna say, if you're ever feeling like, if you ever like just with somebody, you know, like just sitting on the chairlift or something like that, ask them how their day's been. You gotta be nice and friendly to people because people are actually more willing to have a conversation with you than you think. I mean, you might get the odd occasion where someone's a bit antisocial, but I know in my case, I just sit there like quiet and people are actually probably willing to talk to me and I'm actually willing to talk to other people. It's just the start of the conversation is hard. Like as soon as you ask them like a question, then you just get going. So that's your task for the day. Meet someone new or just have a conversation with someone you haven't met before.
No one to hold when I sleep. Put me out on our couch, throw me in the doghouse. Feel like we're stuck on a leash. Barely left the ground floor. I should be getting out more. The way that things are going, all the cracks have started showing. Girl, it feels like we've been growing apart. But what if there was something I could give you that would jump in and fill every hole I made in your heart?